This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping any active download. Do that now. First, confirm your iPhone model and current iOS version so you know whether downgrade is supported. Once done, make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer. This preserves data if you need to restore. Next, disable Wi-Fi and automatic updates in settings and enable airplane mode to halt the update. These steps prevent the update from installing while you prepare the next actions. Now you'll prepare the firmware and the device. On your computer, download the matching IPSWA file for your exact iPhone model. Mismatched files won't work. Make sure iTunes or Finder is up to date, otherwise the restore can fail. Next, connect the iPhone and put it into recovery mode or DFU mode if you need a deeper restore, following the button sequence for your model. This allows your computer to communicate and install the chosen firmware safely. Finally, perform the restore using the IPSWA you downloaded. In Finder or iTunes, hold Option Mac or Shift Windows while clicking Restore, select the file, and start the process. Let it complete. The phone will restart. Once booted, sign in with your Apple ID and restore from the backup you made. If something goes wrong, retry entering DFU mode, switch cables or ports, and note any error code. Then search for that code to target the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.